Hello everybody. Today I would like to share with you configuration of this layer 2 network. I would like to configure spanning tree protocol on these three switches, and I also would like to bundle these pairs of links into either channels. For spanning tree, I'm gonna make switch 1 like primary route for VLANs 1, 10, 30. Switch 2, I'm gonna make primary route for VLANs 20, 40, 99, and switch 3 I'm gonna make like secondary route for all other VLANs. And this topology I made in virtual internet routing lab, which is VIRL from Cisco. So let's get started. First of all, we need to configure all our VLANs. So VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40, and VLAN 99. Let's verify. Show VLAN brief. And we see that all our VLANs created. Let's go to switch number 2. VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 99. Let's go to switch 3. VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40, and VLAN 99. So all our VLANs are configured on the switches, and let's for now let's assign these end user ports to VLANs. So for switch 3 we need to configure port G01, which gonna be switch port mode access, and it will go to VLAN 10, switch port access VLAN 10. Now let's do interface G02. Interface G02, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. VLAN 20. No, VLAN 29. Let's do the same on switch 2. And switch 2 interface G01, which goes to VLAN 20. Port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, let's go switch 1. G01 as well, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. So this part is done, and I would like also to make port fast configuration on these ports. Spanning tree, port fast, and also PPDU guard. Spanning tree, PPDU guard, enable. And switch 2, spanning tree port fast, spanning tree PPDU guard, enable. Switch 3, interface range 0, 1, 2, spanning tree port fast, spanning tree PPDU guard, enable. Good. From this point, I would say let's make other channels. Let's configure other channels. On switch 1, we're gonna bundle this G12, G13 to EtherChannel 12. So interface range G12, 3, channel group 1, 2, mode. I would like to do PIGP protocol. For PIGP, we can use auto and desirable. If you want to do desirable on one switch, we need to do desirable on the second switch, or mode auto. Then interfaces will bundle to EtherChannel. If we do auto on one switch and auto on the second switch, interfaces will not bundle to EtherChannel, which we can see here. So I would like for this switch 1, for this side I'm gonna do desirable, and for switch 2, for this side I'm gonna do auto. Desirable. Okay, and we see that interface port channel 1, 2 has been created, but it's not working yet, so we need to finish configuration. And I want also interface port channel 1, 2. I want to do switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk encapsulation .1, and switch port mode trunk. So we're gonna do these ports as trunks as well. So let's go to switch number 2. Interface range G1, 2, 3, and we're gonna do channel group 1, 2, and mode auto. Exit interface port channel 1, 2, switch port trunk encapsulation .1, .1Q, and switch port mode trunk. So let's check if port channel 1, 2 stayed up. Let's check if we have EtherChannel is up in up state. Show EtherChannel summary. This command we're gonna use to check. And we can see that status of port channel P. Status P means that links are bundled in port channel, and it's good sign. And it also says that SU for port channel. SU is layer, S means layer 2, and U means in use. It means that our port channel is good and working. Let's configure two other channels. So for this one, for switch 2, we need to do configuration on G10 and G11. Interface range G10 and 1. Switch channel group. Here we have channel group 23. Mode. I'm gonna use for next configuration. I'm gonna use only desirable mode. Desirable. Interface port channel 23. switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, switch port mode trunk. Okay, this side is done. Let's go to switch number 3. On switch number 3, conf-t, interface range. Let's do this. Let's finish with EtherChannel 23. So it's gonna be G10, G11, G10, G11. Switch channel group 23 mode desirable, and interface port channel 23, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk, trunk. And now our port channel should be working. Let's check. EtherChannel summary, and here we go. SUPP. Let's do configuration on these two interfaces as well. Conf-t interface range G123, channel group, this gonna be 31 mode desirable, and interface port channel 31, and it's gonna be switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, switch port mode trunk. And let's go to switch 1. Interface range G112. Oh no, sorry, G10, G12. Interface range G10, G11. Oops, I'm sorry. Interface range G101. These two links. Channel group 31 mode desirable. Exit interface port channel 31, and switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, switch port mode trunk. Okay, let's verify. Show EtherChannel summary. Okay, now we are good. So we have two EtherChannels, 12 and 31. On switch to EtherChannel summary. We have also two EtherChannels, 12 and 23, and on switch 3 we should have also two EtherChannels. So this part of our work is done. Let's configure spanning tree on all switches. Let's start from switch 1. Switch 1 here. Conf-t spanning tree mode. I would like to choose a Rapid-PVST. And for switch 1 is gonna be primary route for VLANs 1, 10, 30. So spanning tree VLANs 1, 10, and 30. Root primary. That's it. Let's go to switch number 2. Spanning tree mode Rapid-PVST spanning tree VLAN 20, 40, 99 and root primary. That's it for switch number 2. And let's go to last one, which is switch number 3, which is gonna be secondary root for all our VLANs. Spanning tree mode Rapid-PVST spanning tree VLAN 1, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 99 root secondary. That's it. Now let's wait and let's give our spanning tree to converge. Show spanning tree. For example, let's check how it's working. It's still in some interfacer is still in status learning. Oh, it's converged. Let's check, for example, show spanning tree VLAN 10 for VLAN 10. This switch is not root switch for VLAN 10 as for all our other VLANs. Let's check switch 1. Show spanning tree. Okay, for switch 1, it should be a root for VLAN 1, 10, 30. For VLAN 1, this bridge is the root bridge. And if we can check that root ID and bridge ID has the same MAC address, which also says us that this switch is root bridge for this VLAN. What about, for example, VLAN 10? VLAN 10 is the switch is also root bridge. Let's check VLAN 10 or VLAN 20, and in VLAN 20 switch is not root. And also we can see that one port channel, which is 3.1, is blocked. Okay. So as we can see, let's check as well switch 2. Show spanning tree. What options we have? We have, for example, VLAN 10, VLAN 20. For VLAN 20, this switch is gonna be root, which we can see over here in this line. And last piece of configuration that we need to do is to configure management interfaces. Let's do it. Let's start from switch 1. Interface VLAN 99, IP address 192.168.99.1.255.255.255. Sorry, too many fives. 255.255.0. No shot. Let's go to switch 2. Interface VLAN 99, IP address 192.168.99.2.255.255.255.0. No shot. And the last one, which is switch 3, and it's gonna be 99.3. Interface VLAN 99, IP address 192.168.99.3.255.255.255.0. No shot. Let's verify. This interface management interface is created, and it's in up state. Let's try to ping our switches. 192.168.99.1. Here we go. And 2. Yes. So we have connectivity between switches. And at this point, we should have connectivity also between our hosts in the same VLAN. For example, I can check from host PC1, which has if config. So, if config. So we have. Oh, this is this is host 4. This is host 1. If config is this host has this interface in VLAN 10, and host number 3 is also in VLAN 10. So we can try to ping 172.31.10.20, and we can see that ping is successful. Let's go to switch to host number 2, ping 172.31.20.20, and host number 2 has IP 172.31.20.10 in VLAN 20, and host 4 has IP 172.31.20.20, and ping is successful. I would like to say thank you to everybody for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel. In the future I'm gonna post some more interesting video and interesting configuration of the Cisco equipment, Cisco devices. So thank you very much, and see you soon.